let's have your phone.
You're talking to me?
Thank you.
Cheers.
Careful.
That's a bit of a climb. I'm not even pedalling yet now.
By every walk, like, hey, look at that, so that's a cheater, all that bollocks.
Halfway up, mate. Nearly to this false summit, this one, false summit.
Oh, eco'd up, mate.
Are you in eco? What are you in eco? Are you in tow? What are you in? I'm staying in eco till I get to the top. Turbo all the way down, man. What are you in, Dave?
I'm in that push mode.
Push mode?
Yeah, you know, it just makes it easy. It's just like
It won't be that long until someone needs to wipe my ass, I tell you, and give a hose down. I'm getting to them years. Oh fucking hell, there's a right whole summit. It's fucking massive behind it. Fucking hell. I thought we were only going to be a small up. So I've got to do it again. Well, we're going into cloud cover now. And look how fast that's moving. I guess it's windy as fuck up there. This is going to be a bad idea, I think. Looks nice down there. Not up there. Well, we might be, you never know, another half hour it might clear off a bit. That's another false summit?
that's Skiddaw little one.
Oh, that's not Skiddaw.
That's not top.
Fuck off. Fuck off. With that thought, that's not a fault. That with a full summit down there. I can't believe that's not the summit. Well, I'm going that way for definite. I'm a bit worried about going up there, to be honest. Look how fast that's going. Plus you can't, the bit is going to be low. Amazing, doesn't it? This is just a video of 10-mile climbing. Still can't see the summit. At least we're a bit sheltered this side. Alright. Are you sure this is Borrowdale Bash? Are you sure we're on Borrowdale Bash here? I think we've come on wrong hill. Hi buddy. I'm gonna make a 2-hour video of us pushing up. Nearly there, surely. It's just cleared up. Perfect timing.
What's the?
Look at that, we're going over that.
Oh, yeah, that is.
In this wind?
Yeah.
Fuck that.
We're going over that.
In this wind? You fucking middle man. Fucking ready, man. Got to the top at least, what about getting down?
First down, man.
First down, yeah. It is. It's weird, isn't it? It's just cleared off, we got perfect timing.
I think it's just for that top, so it's not pushing up.
Yeah, that's going to be crazy though, man. I don't like the look of that. Girl, is this what we're going to be coming down? Finally. Finally made it, mate.
Run that shit.
Just 3,000 foot to the top. Not bad going, eh? my god, I got... Oh man, we just come down that! Fuck off! I got blown off the top twice at top. We went down the well one. Fucking hell. I got, yeah, you're having a ride, I was blown completely off.
Sketchy as fuck, but it was fun.
Fucking bad, that one. That's dangerous. That ain't a goer.
Yeah man, that's over there.
Nearly got blown off here. This is fucking stupid. This is just, this isn't right. Just lean into it. This is a bridge line. What do you mean? It's not a nice one. I'm getting blown away, man. That's a fucking bridge line. This is a bad idea. It's going on record. It's a bad idea. It's super exposed here. It's just going straight off. You go off out of there and see how windy. It's too fucking windy, man. Blown off down there. Oh yes. Fucking hell, this is gnarly. Woo, nice! Oh man, it's getting a bit crazy, isn't it? Fucking knows. Can't get down that, can you? Can you get down where you are, straight on? Glad we're just sheltered from wind. No, hit the fucking gnarliest than that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Go on, Martin. That brake's gone. No brake. Back again. It's really fun in places and in others it's just fucking death. Shit. I don't know where your line choice is going to be. I've fucking ridden it before. Oh god, my heart rate is way too fucking high. I feel like I'm gonna, my heart's gonna explode. I like this slide though, it's pretty cool. Okay, I didn't stop even going down. What the fuck, look how he just come down that bastard. Look at that, we just come down. Where's Pat? It's easier to get your back end round. Just pull your brake on and slide in. It's nice. You get all little tuck-ins. Fucking hell, flat ground. You'll be one of them when I'm just fucking thankful I'm down. That park catch up is just there. Still like got a lot to drop. I'm glad we were that out window, man. It did scare me, that, to be honest. It put me This is fucking ace, this is a fucking ace. But I am fucking shower shitting it up there. Cheers, there's a couple more. Not gonna fucking lie. Still going down a lot. Over that a bit ago, all that line there. Fucking mental, man. Mental. Fucking hell. Woo! Shit, big lump behind that drop, didn't see that. Oh fuck, double drop. Oh shit, another went over then. Buzzer! Buzzer! Timber!
Fucking hell, I haven't seen that in ages, man.
Nice. Yeah. Nice.
Fucking hell.
What are we doing?
I'm just
Don't be saying you brought your bike again.
Not bad.
Is there a way even off this? Just loose.
Slightly loose.
Look at that one we came off at top. You can see we came off of that, all down that line.
felt like bars were about
Off at top of there, down that ridge line, all of that grass down and round. Well, mine's done his normal fucking go out and break a bike fucking. You could have had some tie wraps or something.
Not got any tie wraps with me.
Sure, I've got some electrical tape on it.
Some electrical tape.
Fucking hell, it's carrying just in case something.
Fucking hell, that's a clean break right through with that.
Though, isn't it? It's wet, it's welded.
Is that a weld there?
Yeah.
Is it?
I don't know.
Thinking, I took it
the
off
tube.
and I just went like that with it, like
Got
cheese,
tube?
it
I've
got an air
like,
tube, yeah.
fucking hell, I
Let's see if I
broke
can
that
poke
weekend.
one of these cable ties
It's
off.
fucking just
Because that'll be long enough to go around there.
Can you know how silent his bike? That's mental. You did take the noise off of the tyres. Yes! Ah, come on, don't chicken out.
I nearly fucking lost it completely.
I know you did a really 180 in middle. Oh, is it going? Yes!
Or just sliding all over.
What sort of mountain biker are you if you're not taking risks?
Pussy, get back on your normal bike.
This is a fucking brutal climb. Non-stop fucking climbing this thing. If you can buy an e-bike, guys, can I join you in the e-bike laps? Ooh, waterfall. Ooh, a massive climb. Shock. Get to a point I don't want to be on a bike anymore. Well, I've done 12 miles. Hardest 12 miles ever. Coming up to 4,000 foot of elevation now. We will be by the time I get over that. Still climbing. Broken bike. My dropper's gone. My legs are gone. I'm tired. We're ever going to finish this ride. It's like the never ender. Look at him riding. Broken bike. Balancing it out. Yep. That's way too deep, man. I'm doing that. Yeah, it worked. Cheers. Thanks. Motherfucking climbing. Does anyone want to do some climbing? I think I'm going mental. I don't want to be blown down there, do you? Oh shit. Cheers, bud. What was that? fatigued to fuck, man.
It's slippery, this is the sea, believe it.
Yeah, you gotta get going. Straight on. Let's go straight on. Yeah. We got soul. Cheers.